What are you drinking? Today I'm drinking Indri. I'm drinking Indri Trīni. This is a new and highly awarded Indian single malt. It's made out of a 6-row Indian organic barley, double distilled. They use actually Scottish style copper pot stills. It's being made at the foothills of the Himalayas, and the company behind this distillery is the Piccadilly Group. They own 3 different distilleries in India, and they are one of the major producers of single malt in the country. The person behind this whiskey is Mr. Surrinder Kumar. He is the former master blender for Amrut whiskey, which is a very well-known Indian single malt as well. In this case, we have no age statement, but we know that it's between 3 and 5 years old. It's not going to be aged more than that. Now, the beauty of climates as in India is that it's really, really hot. The same happens, for example, in Taiwan. So what happens when we have high temperatures? The process of aging gets accelerated. So a whiskey that is this young is going to be very comparable to a single malted scotch that is between 10 and 12 years old. It has no color added, so all this beautiful color is coming from the 3 different types of casks that they are using. They are using first fill American oak, French oak that was used to age red wine, and also Pedro Ximénez sherry cask. So as we know, Pedro Ximénez is the sweetest sherry out there. It's really dark as well, so the whiskey is absorbing all of the color from the oak as well all of the flavor. It's until filtered, which means that they keep all the lipids from the grain, so it's going to give us a much richer palate. And at the same time, of course, the alcohol is 46%. So let's remember, every time that we have until filtration, the alcohol is going to be a little higher, and usually 46% is the minimum that they will use. Indri in Sanskrit refers to the 5 senses. So I can't wait to experience everything this whiskey has to offer. Let's taste it. We have a combination of 3 different types of casks. They will age separately, and then the master blender, Mr. Kumar, will taste them and blend them before being bottled. All right. So the color, as we were mentioning, is all natural. It comes from the oak. There is no color added. It's beautiful. It's dark honey color. Let's see the nose. All right, I'm getting a lot of fruits, almost like a stone with a tropical fruit, a little mix in there. A little bit of honey, some ginger. I'm getting some citrus as well, more towards an orange peel. So we have these orange peel notes with honey, ginger, and stone fruits. Let's taste it. The palate is spicy. It's full, it's very well balanced, it's warm, it's rounded. All those ginger honey notes are coming back along with the orange peel. Wow, it's actually delicious, I have to say. The oak is giving a great structure. But the finish, wow, it stays with you for a while in a very pleasant, elegant way, very warm. Very warm, I love it. Let's try a little more. So we have this medium to full palate. As I was saying before, it's full of spice, full of fruits, but very, very well balanced. They have done a great job, that's for sure. And this is one of these bottles that you don't want to miss. So go ahead and grab a bottle of Indri Trīni to finish the year in good spirits. Happy New Year!